Welcome to Unit 20, Transition to College. This unit is designed to prepare you for the exciting yet challenging new chapter of college life. The key competencies. This unit is crucial for managing learning and self by preparing for practical and personal aspects of college life, including financial management. It also helps in cultivating well-being by addressing anxieties and building resilience, and thinking and solving problems by strategizing for college challenges. Why teach it? The transition to college is a significant life change for students, often filled with both excitement and anxiety. This unit helps to alleviate those concerns by providing practical information, supporting students for a successful move. We'll begin with a presentation and discussion using a video on essential things to know about college. An interactive exercise will involve you listing 3 hopes and 3 fears you have about college, encouraging open dialogue. We'll have group activities to discuss different aspects of college and share strategies for a successful transition. Why pay attention? It's vital to pay attention because this unit helps you to alleviate anxieties and build confidence by preparing you for what to expect in college. By proactively engaging with this material, you can ensure a smoother, more successful, enjoyable transition to college life, setting yourself up for academic and personal success.